Y'all, we got a trading day that lasted literally seconds. I traded one big momentum candle right here. As you see in the 15-minute, I saw it starting to go down. I was like, we could kind of reverse from here with this little. See how they sometimes invert these ding on Ferrari gaps on the 1 minute and then sometimes it doesn't? I don't know. That's why I wait for the reactions. On the 1 minute, you can. So I'm like looking here. I see we bounced off this Ferrari gap to come up here, but then we kind of were like about to inverse right here, whatever this little mess was. So once we started pushing on a 15-minute, I'm like, okay, it's a 15-minute chart. We're going to go down a little bit. Got in this momentum candle. I still probably could have got my 100 ticks from just here right after the momentum candle, space from the EMA. Let's see. Yeah, so almost 200. And then obviously, if I got in here, it'd be a little rough. It'd be a little rough right here. It's getting a little messy. So I don't know, you're just knowing the volume's coming in, which I don't even trade volume like that. Most future traders don't. I know with options, I did need to. When I was trading options, I should have waited for when I saw volume being high. And then traded, like I would get in trades even with the chop because in futures we could do that. Options, you have to wait for the volume. So it be like that. So I like trading the minis. I'm not trying to toot my own horn yet because I have to wait and see what happens when I actually fucking lose. Obviously with minis I cannot take multiple trades in a day though. I literally have to take one and get off the chart. So yeah, so see if I got in here off of this IFEG, lost. Now there is an IFEG here as well. Let's see. It's just really, it's something about the 1 minute that like this is why you have to look with the higher time frames. Because even though we have this big bearish, we're kind of moving up now, and it's choppy. So you wait till we either come above here before you get in a buy. You wait for us to maybe close below this before getting in a sell. Like that's the only thing. So I have to just see when I lose how I react. Like I said, I get in trades at like 9:45, so it's a good time to enter. And yeah, we did bounce off this 200 EMA too, but 30-minute is still. Maybe they're trying to go to previous day low. Yeah, I get in here. I enter off this second one because this is kind of choppy. Now we said we're doing to come back out. I wouldn't get in here. I need a little more space, I've noticed. But this one's not looking too good yet either. But I don't know. I feel like if you came out twice, or you just came up and you have your stop loss kind of big, but with my trade, I'm not trying to have my stop loss super big. But yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That's why I like what I do, because I don't sit on the charts, and that's why I got rid of TradingView, because that's what I would do with TradingView. I would do this, and then I would check the charts throughout the day. If I want, especially if I lost, like it doesn't matter. Come back the next morning. Like, don't dwell on the charts all day. Or that's why I can't take multiple trades, because boom, this is a valid IFEG, and then stopped out, and then even like here, it's a mess. You still might get it, but this is a mess. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, life is good. One more day and I'm out of drawdown. Oof. But we gotta close out of this 3-minute one. So yeah, at this point, you probably could enter shorts. So what entry is that? Oh, so that's waiting for this candle to go back up. But yeah, see, if you were still in this short, it's playing out for you. See, I said I wouldn't get in this one, but I get into this one. And we just need 100 ticks. Yeah. So I think you might be at 100 ticks almost now. So yeah, that trade played out. And then how far did it go against you? Because that's really my problem. But I think I still have my shit right here. Yeah. So yeah, 1-to-1 kind of. Not even 1-to-1. You could have had your stop at this body of the candle. So I was right, but it's not as clean and nice as the one I took. That's all I'm saying. Or you get in now. You get in just now. We got the breakup structure and the close out of her value gap. Some people get in just now, but it still could bounce up, like that. So it's a weird game on the woman. That's why like I said, I'm not tooting my horn yet, but I'm just glad I got a good trading day. Nonetheless, one more day about a drawdown. Let's just keep it simple here. That's really all it is today. Easy day.